Imagine a kitchen where washing fruits and vegetables is no longer a tedious task, and your fruit-vegetable washing machine becomes the secret ingredient, effortlessly handling everything from leafy greens to delicate berries. Crafted with the expertise of a culinary maestro, this machine is set to make your kitchen experience as seamless as a well-choreographed dance. It's like having a personal kitchen assistant, always there to unfold its culinary magic as you embark on your gastronomic journey. Now, let's delve into adaptability. This isn't just a washing machine for occasional use. It's the solution for your daily fruit and vegetable cleaning needs, ensuring that your produce is thoroughly clean without compromising its freshness. It's like having a versatile companion that adapts to your cooking lifestyle. No more struggling with manual washing or worrying about residues on your fruits and vegetables. But what sets this folding wonder apart? It's not just about washing, it's about adding a touch of innovation to your kitchen routine. No more compromises on cleanliness or dealing with the inconvenience of manual washing. The fruit-vegetable washing machine is here to make every produce cleaning task a breeze, folding neatly into a compact size when not in use. It's like having a kitchen gadget that understands the art of practicality with a culinary twist. Moreover, this washing machine is a space-saving genius. In a world where every inch of your kitchen matters, it's the culinary virtuoso that discreetly folds into your countertop or storage space, always ready to unfold when your fruits and vegetables need a touch of culinary cleanliness. It's like having a personal produce cleaning assistant, ensuring you stay on top of your culinary game without sacrificing precious kitchen space. But wait, there's more. The fruit-vegetable washing machine is also your ticket to durability. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand the demands of daily kitchen use without compromising its folding nature. It's like having a washing machine that not only enhances the cleanliness of your produce, but also stands up to the challenges of your bustling kitchen. I think the fruit-vegetable washing machine isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's the unsung hero of your culinary creations. Its innovative design, adaptability, and space-saving features make it a must-have for anyone who wants to add a touch of culinary cleanliness to their